My backyard floods every time it rains. What is an inexpensive way to get control of this problem? There are several spots like this in my yard. The water has nowhere to go. I just purchased a house and want to plant fruit trees, vegetables, flowers, palm, banana trees. I'm scared to invest in the plants if they're going to die due to poor drainage. Thank you, Anna. I like the fact that she wants to plant a lot of plant material, right? But she has poor drainage. So Kim, I'm going to throw it to you first. What are some of the ways that you think she can correct inexpensively?
Inexpensive.
Right.
She's going to have to find a way, even if she's grading it, to drain that water off. Or she could just use raised beds. That's a lot of people do that here because we have the clay soils, and inexpensive is the problem. There are ways to, amend the soil and amend the soil, and then, but yeah, I would just do raised beds.
You do raised beds?
Yeah.
Lee, any thoughts?
I would do raised beds, but she's right. Fruit trees do not like poor drained soil.
No, they do not.
So I would not plant those until I get my drainage corrected.
So I'm thinking raised beds, came to mind for me. Again, we talk about inexpensive, right? You could try, once it gets graded, you could try to add, of course, organic matter, organic material to kind of build that soil up, right? The third thing is this. You can always plant water-loving plants. A lot of these that she listed are not, like the fruit trees. So that's an option. But how about this one? Maybe a rain garden? Perhaps, hold some of that water, until it slowly, infiltrates, down into their profile. So, those are, some options. But I know we're looking for inexpensive options.
That would also kind of, if you've got stuff growing there, it would break up the soil a little after it's been there a while.
Right.
And maybe she can, down the way, she can plant other things.
Right. So. Looks like Anna has her work cut out for her. For sure. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.